Guys, like I was told by Kuya Bear, I'm asking to you, Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Teacher May. Teacher May is a pro Duterte. What if I say if Teacher May is a Catholic? If Teacher May is a pro Duterte? Oh, even her family are Duterte supporters. Oh, well, what's the problem? As I'm a Judaism, as I'm a Jewish, if I'm a Iglesia ni Cristo, if I'm a former Shia Muslim, I am also a pro Duterte. Oh, why I'm a pro Duterte? Of course, I'm a Duterte supporter. That is my own opinion. Like you, Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Teacher May. Do not threaten Teacher May to hostage her. Because, she's your former teacher. Like me, I think she was my former teacher. When I was there in CDIFI, I know Teacher May Tiburcio. Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, uh, do not harass Teacher May. Because, Teacher May is very retired. Oh, have you never heard that Teacher May is already retired? I've been talk with Apollo Sanchez and Lawrence Villawan yesterday. Oh, in Messenger. I talked to Lawrence Villawan. Retired na nga po si Teacher May because she is already on her age retirement. And then Apollo Sanchez, I talked to him in Messenger. I told to Apollo Sanchez that Teacher May is already retired. Oh, do not harass the former teachers in CDIFI, Paulo Cruzada. This isn't nice. Apollo Sanchez was right. That's not very nice. Paulo Cruzada, with all kind of respect to anybody, to respect to anyone, like I was told by you know, I was told by Apollo Sanchez, Teacher May is already long time teacher in CDIFI after her retirement. Just like compare to the Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe, he was a long time Prime Minister of Japan. Oh, compared to Vladimir Putin, the Russian president, he's been long time as a president of Russia. Oh, and then you still want to harass Teacher May because of her old age. Teacher May is a long time teacher in CDIFI for almost many years, like what I remember in the past. Oh, I say again, Paulo Cruzada, ha? During the time from from Joseph Estrada, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, Noynoy Aquino, and until to Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, and now Teacher May is already retired. Paulo Cruzada. Oh, Teacher Marisa had message to you. She told you to stop harassing Teacher May. What's the opinion about that she is a pro Duterte? Why did you threaten to hostage her? Tell me, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May, she's very retired. She's in um, middle age. Oh, like Kuya Bear. Kuya Bear is older than Teacher May. Oh, in 1972. Oh, he's older than compared to For example, compared to Ate Marisol, middle age. You should not harass a middle age, Paulo Cruzada. You know, Paulo Cruzada, like I say to you, whenever the teacher May's mother, the mother of teacher May, had said the time when she experienced martial law of Ferdinand Marcos Sr., like for example, what happened to the Jabida massacre, hundreds of Filipino Shia and Sunni Muslims, they were get killed by Ferdinand Marcos Sr. In Jabida massacre in Corregidor Island, who were Filipino Muslims, who were Shia and Sunnis. They were killed by Marcos Sr. And also the time of the assassination of Ninoy Aquino, that was August 21, 1983. That was my birthday. August 21. And another one, the part is that 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 Ferdinand Marcos Sr. is the guy who abused the Filipinos to detain them in the time of the human rights abuses from Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Oh, that is really the time when you watch Dekada 70s or Dekada Ascendienta, that's a word. You remember the movie of Vilma Santos and Christopher De Leon. That is the time of the resistance against the Marcoses. You know, Paulo Cruzada, if you're a Marcos loyalist, stop harassing Teacher May. Stop harassing her reputation. Do not slander her reputation. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you might get sued defamation for what you did to Joseph Maspinas, for what you did to Teacher May. What if I say that Joseph Maspinas and Teacher May are pro Duterte? Even Jeric Silva. What's the problem? Even other people are pro Duterte. What's the problem, Paulo Cruzada? Like I say to you, ano bang problema mo? Like I said, Paulo Cruzada. Because I know you're a special child. Your parents had told to Shania Kiana, even your mother had told Shania Kiana, my son, Paulo Cruzada, is also a special child. If you're a special child, Paulo Cruzada, if you're an autism, anyway, you have to stop what you're doing.